Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to move around the object in Blender. So I'm going to show you some methods to change point of view in this software. So let's start with first method. It is really useful method that I use so often. So if you want to move around the object, you need to press and hold middle button of your mouse. In other words, we need to press and hold scroll button, and then when you will move your mouse, you will go around the object. Of course, the other really useful method is zoom in and zoom out. You can use it by scrolling your scroll. It will let you to check details of the object if you need it, so it may be sometimes used in Blender. Of course, I recommend you to use these options. By clicking on the circles, you can change position of the view. Everything depends of the preferences and the elements that you want to edit on your object. The other really great method to change view is based on shift button. If you will press and hold shift button on your keyboard, and then you will press and hold scroll button, and you will change position of your cursor to the right or to the left, you will be able to get the effect that I got here. So these are really useful methods that I recommend you to use in Blender, because they let you perfectly to control details of your object and may be really useful in difficult projects. So if you have any questions, you can include them in the comment. I recommend you to subscribe my channel and like this tutorial because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.